So we are going to create pages for each and every one of these services. So in that case, so you are going back to dashboard. Then we can go to dashboard, we can say new from here, new page. So the first page is web dev. Web development. Publish this page. Edit with Elementor. So once it's finished loading, so the first thing we are going to do is to import our header template. Insert, do not apply. Okay, so we are here. We are going to change this to uh, web development, website development. So next thing, we are going to duplicate this and this as well. So move one of these here, right? So we change this to home, to services. Right? So we change this to web development. Website development. So we are going to link this to the services page. Services, update. Now we are going to use a column section here. Let's go with this. So the first thing we are going to use okay, so what we're going to use is icon list. Let's see. We're going to use an icon list here. Then this icon list, we are going to style it. Let's see. Let's imagine 20. Padding of 20. Then background color. Background color or official color. Then we are going to give it still from here we can give it a border radius of 10. Then uh, content, sorry, style, text of white, icon white, text white as well. Okay, I think we can still give it margin too. Let's say margin of 50. No, 20. 20 should be okay. So for this, we are going to make it stick. Once we are scrolling down, we want it to stick to the top of the screen. Scrolling effect, no. Responsive, no. Click this first. From advanced menu, then motion. Is it motion? No. Motion effect, transformation. From motion effect, you should see stick. They will say stick to top. So that if we are scrolling, yeah, to hook, to just hook like this, right? Okay. So the next thing is to outline all our services here. Uh, Web design. So we're not going to put web development because we're on web development already. We just put web design. Website design. Website redesign. Android app development. From here, you can change this icon to an icon of your choice. Still, you can upload your own SVG if you want to. So in that case, I may just use this web design or web dev. Okay, as the case may be, we might use it, we might leave it. Just choose whatever suits you. Then since I can actually give this section a background color, the background of this ash uh, code that we are using, ash EFF5FB. So I'll come here from style. Now go to background color. Now paste it there. Yeah, so the colors are reflected. You can click this section and say from advanced menu, this section should have both top and bottom padding of 50. Right? So if I can come here and say, okay, if we have this, then this should have a margin again. Let me see. Okay, this should have top and bottom again. Right? Okay, so I can still come here and say should not have top and bottom. Oh, undo. I think it's okay. We don't have to touch the padding. It's okay this way. Yeah, so we'll continue listing out all our services here. So you can duplicate this e-commerce slash web app. So we can duplicate it again. Make the other service graphics design. Graphics design. duplicate, digital marketing, digital marketing, duplicate, Facebook ads and social media management. Duplicate, social media management. All right, I think that's all for now. So can let's see if we can have SVG with respect to all this. So let's say I use this for web redesign, then Android app possible. So there's no such thing as app here. So rather come to upload SVG. Let's see if there's something I can use from here. So I'll just use this for it. Oh, okay, I may use this again. This is part of development. Then e-commerce. I'll just take this look more or less like a shopping app. So I'll just take this, okay. Then graphics design. Okay, I may still use this again. Digital marketing. I'll choose this. Oh, sorry. Graphics design. I choose this. Digital marketing. I'll take this. Likewise, Facebook ads. I'll take this. Social media management. And I'll take this one. Okay, for now, this is what we're having. So you can see it stick to the top. I want it to stick to the top, right? Okay, so we can now go ahead and add the content for this page. The first thing we are going to do is to drag and drop image element here. So I'm going to have a big image which talks about these services. Okay, let's see. Let's remove this from stick. Let it not stick. Let's just leave it now. So I keep scrolling. The user can scroll up and click wherever he or she wants to go. So now we are going to add a picture with respect to web development. think this was the picture. Let's see. Okay, so the next thing is to add the write-ups with respect to web design. Okay, and that's what I just want to remove this margin from there. Let's view the site and see. Okay, this is what we're going to have. So this picture, we can give it a better border radius, the same border radius that will give this column or this section. So once that is done, we can now add the content. First, the heading. Of course, we are going to use our official color, which is #006268. You can type it. From style, I'll just put it here. Right? So then the heading is going to be header 3. Yeah. Okay, I think we can actually give these guys horizontal line. Let me see. Divider. Let's say divider. Okay. Then spacing. Exactly. This should be okay. Let's see. Okay. But the challenge is it's about this line. Let me see. Wait. Can we have 0.5? Is it possible? Okay, so what I'm going to do is to make it transparent. Let it not be that visible. Okay, so I can hit update. Let's preview again. Okay, this is what we're going to have with respect to services. Okay, so we can now fill in with the content from this service notepad page. Come here, just replace the text. So the next is to bring a write-up which donate the content of these services, the details of these services. Just select from here, shift and click here to highlight the content. Ctrl A, then Ctrl V to replace it. From here, From style, I'm going to make it black so that it will be visible. Great. So this will be all about this very service, right? So we can hit update. Okay, for this side, we are going to add something here. Maybe something like a picture so that should have an empty space like this from here. Then I'll just drop it here. Maybe I'll just call it because I'm going to link it to a page at the end of the day. I'll just call it website design training. So I'll look for a picture with respect to that. Okay, so I still have this picture here. I think it's a good one. This is a good picture for this. I'll just insert it there. So underneath, I can add a button, right? So this button will be enroll for website design training or for website training. Enroll for web design training, right? So I'm going to give it a background color of our official color. Okay, I don't have it on the clipboard anymore. I'll just copy it again. Hash 006268, right? Then I'll just come here and paste it. Great. For this, I'm going to put an icon. I need an icon which is arrow forward. I prefer this, right? So the arrow should be after. Then I'll give it some spacing. Alright, I'll give it some spacing. Then I'll come here. Let me see if width. I want to make it 100%. Okay, it doesn't work because it's already 100%. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do is to align it to center. You can hit update, right? Okay. I'll leave it, let it be left alignment. It's okay this way. So what we're going to do next is to save this as a template. This is what we're going to use for all the other services we are going to showcase here. I've added something here, enroll for website design training here. So you strike on this button to take you to the page or to take you to wherever you want the user to get to. So